On March 24, the Bharatiya Janata Party welcomed former Indian Air Force Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadauria into its fold at the party headquarters in New Delhi. Joining him was Varaprasad Rao, a former member of parliament from Tirupati, marking a significant addition to the party's ranks. Hailing from Uttar Pradesh, Bhadauria's entry into the BJP has sparked speculation about his potential candidacy in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. Reports suggest that he may contest from the Ghaziabad seat, potentially replacing the incumbent MP General VK Singh. With several seats in Uttar Pradesh yet to have candidates finalized, the party convened a meeting of its Central Election Committee on Saturday. The agenda included deliberations on candidates from Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. It is anticipated that the fourth candidate list will be released imminently as the party gears up for the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections. After joining the party, the former Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadauria said that though he served more than 4 decades in IAF, however, the best time of his service was the last 8 years under the leadership of the BJP government. He said, "I thank the party leadership for giving me this opportunity to contribute to nation building once again. I served the IAF for more than 4 decades, but the best time of my service was the last 8 years under the leadership of the BJP government. The tough steps taken by this government to empower and modernize our armed forces and make them self-reliant have not only given rise to new capability in the forces, but also given them a new confidence. The results of the self-reliant move by the government can be seen on the ground. From the point of view of security, the steps being taken by the government are very important and will take India to new heights globally." The upcoming Lok Sabha elections for 543 seats are set to unfold across 7 phases beginning on April 19th and concluding on June 1. Amidst preparations and campaigning, various political parties have begun announcing their initial candidate lists. June 4th has been earmarked for the crucial counting of votes, marking the culmination of the electoral process. Reflecting on past results, in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, the Bharatiya Janata Party secured a resounding victory, clinching 303 seats, while the Indian National Congress could only manage to secure 52 seats. Similarly, in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, the BJP emerged victorious with 282 seats, while the INC secured a mere 44 seats. As anticipation builds for the forthcoming elections, political dynamics and strategies are expected to play a pivotal role in shaping the outcome.